Forgotten username recovery failed on Current Youth fix. If your Current Youth username recovery keeps failing, don't stress. Most people get this wrong because they assume Current Youth still uses traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that Current Youth now uses your registered email as the primary login credential. That's why the old forgot username process often fails. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the Current Youth app or visit the website. Enter the email linked to your account instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you used, check your inbox for past messages from Current Youth, like account statements, transaction alerts, or parental notifications. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your email. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if the email doesn't appear immediately. Step 3. If you signed up using a third-party login, such as Google or Apple, log in using that same method. Switching login methods is a common reason recovery attempts fail. Step 4. If you still cannot access your account, contact Current Youth Support. Provide your full name, registered email, and explain that your forgotten username recovery failed. Their team will verify your identity and restore access securely. Most users assume their account is lost or locked, but the reality is simple. Current Youth removed usernames to simplify login and improve security. So don't worry, your account and funds are safe. Use your registered email, reset your password if needed, and you'll be back managing your Current Youth account in minutes.